Hi everyone, this is Bharat Balaji. We are going to see today how we are going to install C software and what way we are going to write the C program, what is the console, how the console controls will be there. Okay, we are going to see how the C console will be. First of all, go to Google and then type Turbo C++. Okay, and then you'll get search results. Among that, you can select out from file has or file depot. Okay, this one, or you can also select from tech decode tutorials, any one. Okay, so here the versions are there, different version with this latest one. I'm presently using a Windows 11 software, so I'm going to install for Windows 11 compatible Turbo C and C++ both are coming in the same software, that is the Turbo C and Turbo C++. Okay, now you can click on the free download. Okay, so that the file will be downloaded here. Start download, then download will complete here. Okay, so after completion, click on this icon, which is going to complete it. Now click S. It is asking the permission. Here it is a setup how we are going to install. So we here click next to follow, and you can accept the terms and agreements. Okay, if you want you can read also. Then click on the next where we want to install. Uh, Go with another drive. So given D drive, and then why we are selecting a D drive means if you select a C drive, uh, if the Windows is weighted or the C drive is OS is formatted, then the files which are saved in that particular folder or application will be lost. Okay, and then click on next install. This is how it is installed. Click on finish. We'll start Turbo C++ for Windows. This is how you are going to see the C console. This is the C environment where you are going to write C programmation. By defaultly, some of the files will be open. Okay, so this green color button is to close the files. Okay, there are file editor. This is a file menu. Okay, this file menu. This is a file menu. If you want to, this is a actual C console turbo C application window. Okay, if you want to open a new file here, go with the file, or you can also press Alt F, then click on new. This file will be even. If you want to maximize this window, click on this arrow. Okay, now I want to show you the structure of C programmation. And if you want to save this one, go file, click on file, then save as. Okay, right here file name. The first file name I'm going to here first dot C. Please listen carefully. By defaultly, it is going to take if you are not going to give dot C, it is going to save in dot CPP. PPP is a different format and C is a different format. So if you are going to practice C programs, compulsory mention file name dot C. Then press OK. Now you can see the file name here. It is going to be displayed here. Okay. Now we're going to see uh, how the structure of C is going to be. Here, the first one is documentation section. That is documentation section. Okay. Next, second one, linking section. Third one, definition section. Okay. And next, okay, it's going caps lock. Global declaration. Global declaration section. Next, fifth one is main function. Okay, this is a main function of C programmation. Here you are going to start with this is the main function. Here the parenthesis we are going to open the here the declaration part. Declaration, that is a local declaration section, and then ends with a semicolon. Body of main function. Body of main function. Then we are about closing here. And here one more additional functionalities if you want to create your own programming subprogram section or sub functions. Okay, like function 1 or function 2, 1, 2, like up to any number of files. Okay, up to n number of functions you can create, and these are user defined functions. Okay, so this is the structure of a C programming language. There are 6 sections overall. First one is the documentation section, definition, link section, definition section, global declaration section, main function, and inside the main function, we want to open the main function with the parenthesis, that is flower brackets. Okay, and here documentation section is going to declare this double slash. Okay, this indicates comment, single line comment. Okay, this is going to represent single line comment. Okay, comments means the comments which we are going to written as a comment. The programming, the C compiler will not going to execute these comments, and these are only meant for description or guidelines for the user. Okay, and for multi-line multi-line comments, we are going to use multi-line comments. You can see here everything is comments. You can see before I declare here multiple line comments, the color is complete text color is green color. When I click here, when I write the multiple line comment section, everything is converted into a light blue color. Okay, when I end multiple line comment with star and hash again the remaining text is converted into same green color. Okay, that means that it is code, it is taken as code and it does not execute. Okay, and this is the executable code which is by compiler. Okay, these are the documentation section. We are going to write the description about the program for our user help. Okay, and coming to linking section, in this linking section we are going to write preprocessor directives who are like including connecting linking header files stdio.h header files with our program. Okay, why we are going to use these header files we will discuss in the later classes. Okay, the header files will have some functionalities, the functionalities which are going to uh, include the predefined functions into our program. Okay, and We'll discuss what are the header files, what is the preprocessor directives in the next previous videos. Okay. Coming to definition section, it is also one of the predefined preprocessor directive like as defined. We are going to define some of the constants through the program like pi value is 3.14. So you want to declare pi as a value of 3.14. Throughout, whenever you use these two letters, that is pi, wherever you use pi, the value must be 3.14, and this value cannot be changed throughout the program. Okay, like this, definitions will be given in definition section. Okay, definition section. Now, coming for global declaration section. Global declaration means uh, here you can see observe global declaration and local declaration. There are two types are there. Okay, local declaration means they are only the life of the variables are within this block only. The braces, parentheses, flower braces only. Whatever we are going to create in this particular section, their life, the variables life are within those particular functions only. Okay, and if you are going to define here above the main function, then throughout the program, how many programs? Suppose we are creating sub functions here, sub programs here. Okay, in the sub programs also we can declare, we can call, and we can change, we can manipulate global declaration variables, whereas the local variables are local to this particular block. That's it. Okay, that is the difference of global declaration, local declarations. Next, this is a main function. So without main function, we cannot write a C program. We cannot execute a C program. So very important. We are going to whatever we are going to write a C program. We are going to write in the main function only. Okay, and this is the body of the main function. And subprogram, if you want to write any user defined functionalities like any functions, okay, so then we can define other functions, okay, other functions by declaring your own definition. So this is complete explanation of documentation, how the C structure will be present. Now we are going to write a C program, okay, small C program we are going to write here. So I'm writing here, this is the first program, first C program, multiple comments here I'm going to use. Every program must use this one hash include stdio.h, okay, and the hash include conio.h. Okay, and the void main, void used for we are not going to return any of the data type value. Okay, now I'm going to here write printf will come to C programming language. Okay. Now I'm going to save this one. See here, we want to save this one already returned programming code. You can see this one, this symbol, and this symbol represent bottom, left to bottom of the window. It is not saved. When you save this one by using file, save, or you can also use a shortcut F2. Click on save. This symbol is going to be disappear from here. Okay, when it is edited again it is going to have, when you press this one again it will going to disappear. Okay, so now the C program is ready. The how to execute, how to compile this one. So for compiling this one, Alt F9. You have to press Alt plus F9. I'm going to write here for your assumptions. Alt plus F9. Functional key 9. You have to press Alt plus F9. Okay. I'm going to write here Alt F9. So this is a compilation status. We are compiled first .c program. Total number of lines compiled is going to give me. This is success. Okay. Press any key to run the setup. Now, if you want to run the setup, after compilation means the language is converted into machine level language, which is machine understandable language. And now we are going to run the program by using Control F9. Okay, I'm writing one more time here. Control F9. Control F9. By pressing Control F9, we are going to run the program. Okay, so this is the output of our program. Welcome to C programming language we have given in printf statement. Okay, see here only one statement we are given here, that is printf. Print this string welcome to C programming language in the output. Now if you want to review the output, press Alt F5. Press Alt F5, then you can see the previous outputs. Okay, if you want to go out from the runtime to program, press enter. Okay, this is about the C programming console, how to install, how to use the C console editor. Okay, now if you want to exit this one, go to file, click on file, then quit. This is a shortcut Alt X. Okay, before going to quit, you have to save the file. So quit. Okay. Cool. Today we learned about how to install and uh, use how to use the environment, C environment and Turbo C++ environment. Okay, thank you. And before going to see, I want to show you this icon. Here you can observe this one, Turbo C++ for Windows. Okay, if you click on this one, double click, then only it will open Turbo C++. So I will one more time I will open. Okay, the previous program is going to display, no problem with that. Close this one, and this is closing of C editor. Quit. Okay, so thank you guys. If you want to follow the more videos coming in the same channel for programming languages, not only C, we are going to upload more languages coming soon. Okay, thank you guys. Please subscribe the video.